It just deletes. It just deletes.
Wait, how did you win? I hate this fucking. Alright, y'all, welcome to Rounds. Basically, this game is just autism. Autism and ADHD simulator. It's just brain rot. I could not keep my sanity playing this game. It broke my PC. Basically, you face off against your friends. You have guns. You shoot them. You get power-ups and abilities every time you lose. It broke our PC. And then we proceeded to mod the shit out of the game, which broke our PC even more. I can't even. Enjoy the damn video, alright?
I'm a build known to man.
You have the blood that pushes you across the map?
He had the bullets that like stun you, bro. It was cancerous. Bro. I was Can I not pick my monkey? What?
No, you have to press jump and then you're in.
Oh, there we go.
I think there's something wrong with your guy.
Yeah.
There's something wrong with your guy.
I don't think so. I don't think so. What the hell is your character?
I wonder what I should pick.
Please don't get that.
Oh, but these are all so good.
You got a bunch of good ones. What the hell?
I know.
What the?
Yo, hold on. Yo, yesterday Matt had nothing but poison.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm coming, buddy.
Ow. Ow. No. Pain. Yo, hold that. What do you have? You have shockwave.
I have the shockwave. Oh no!
Oh my god, you sent me into the goddamn.
I hated this thing so much. No way. Oh, I thought that was gonna hit. I'm coming. Ow. Oh no. Oh.
RIP my boy.
Bro, what's wrong with my character? Do you see my eye? What happened to my eye?
Yo, what the hell's wrong with your boy?
Oh no. The poison. No, not the poison.
Oh god.
No.
Rip. Bye. Ow.
Bro fucking hit me so hard I became autistic. Don't get more fucking bantal. Actually, get target bounce. That one's pretty good, I think. Honestly.
Yeah. No. Trust. Because I have growth.
What are you aiming at?
I was trying to drink the saw so that you die from it.
I think he backed up into the wall.
Pretty much, yeah. Ow. Damn it.
Alright.
Let's go.
These are all ass. Oh my god.
Yeah, overpower is actually kind of broken. 15% of your max HP enemies around you when you block, and then you get more HP, bro. That's like 45% more, like 45% damage. You're welcome. Aren't you glad someone is around to? No?
Big. Okay, get the guy that's jerking on.
Yeah, of course. Ow. So you have to block.
There goes the charge up. Oh god. Oh god. No, he's still alive. Oh my god.
Goodbye, my son.
What happened? Oh damn.
We touch bullets.
We touched wall. Oh. I'm reloading. Oh. Ow. Just stop touching my balls. Oh my god.
No, your balls are mine. So it's good. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't let you get near me.
I'm coming, baby. I'm coming, baby. Ow! I blew
Ow.
myself up again. I'm coming, baby.
Damn, one shot.
Let's not. Let's
You already
not.
know who it is. It's your boy. Era, era.
It's your boy. Damn!
Oh, damn.
He like jumped over my block and then came on me. What? That almost killed me.
Yeah, that's the point. Ah. Dun 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 dun. Dun.
Midnight. Yes.
I know. Alright, let's press space. Radio. Alright, my friend, we play modded rounds.
We play for. Oh, what just popped up on my screen?
I know.
Okay. Pepsi.
Pepsi
Pepsi.
doubles your projectiles.
No, let's not do Pepsi.
Duplicata.
Okay. What do? Oh wow.
What happened to your card there, bud? Yo, bro, you don't need that. Like, let's look at the other cards.
What is this?
Your bullets are now frozen springs that freeze and launch your opponents. What the fuck? 750 knockback.
Okay, I am so. What?
Oh no.
This is so much.
Let's see what. Okay.
Why this map? Why are we sitting here? Oh my god, I can't jump. Wait, never mind. Jump.
I'm
Get
scared.
Get hit by my bullet.
I got hit by the fucking thing.
Okay.
Damn.
I do 25% of damage because of it.
You're going to Brazil!
Oh my god!
Yo, gang. Chill. Chill.
The knockback is. Don't try to crush me with a bomb.
Shut your bitch ass up. I'm scared. Oh my god.
Bro shall no fear. Snake attack. Wait, hold up. Get snakes. I want to see.
Yeah, I want to see what that
does.
does. Let me see.
I swear to God, if you start shooting snakes at me, shoot. What?
Oh my god.
I have health bars. What the hell? Oh no. Oh dear God. Oh dear. Ooh, one shots.
Oh my god.
The snake's one shot. Nah, this shit gotta be legendary, bro. This shit gotta be legendary, bro.
I don't know.
Get away.
You can shoot them, you know.
I know, but I'm scared. Oh, my God.
I died to my
Did
own
they hit
snakes.
you too?
Yeah, they hit me
Okay,
too. They're
oh my
friendly
God.
fire.
Brother.
You can shoot them. You
Brother.
can shoot them. They have health bars.
Brother. Oh, they go crazy when you hit them. I'm gonna die. Bro, stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop shooting.
Yes.
You're already one-shotting me. I'm getting this. I'm gambling.
Okay, let's see. He gets like the worst
What'd I
card.
get?
When you jump,
What'd
you
I
get
get?
smaller.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Look at me. Ah! Good luck catching
Stay with me. I took those shit and rocked it, my boy. Holy shit. Hold up. Damn.
How are you alive? Oh. Oh. No way.
Damn.
It's not fair.
How is that?
Don't go legend. Don't ever go legendary. Okay.
Okay, alright.
Oh, snake. Yes!
The fucking.
Oh,
Michael!
Deleted.
please.
Reroll, bro. You got reroll.
Bro, I only have 5 abilities. You actually have more abilities than me, but I have so many no. Bro, where's that snake coming from, bro?
Wait, how did you get a point?
This is all deserved, honestly. Brother, you just float.
I guess.
Floater gang.
Floater gang. Floater gang.
My bullets did not keep up with the man.
You wanna reset?
Whoa.
You wanna retry?
Reset.
What the? Brother! Oh, huh?
One of my friends, he was like, "Oh, did I leave my planners at your house?" And I was like,
Smell.
"Nah, 'cause it was in the-"
Shoot right now. 9/11.
What did you? What is that? What did I hit you?
Yes.
Oh, hello. Okay.
Oh. Wait.
Bro, the knockback is so strong, you just teleport. It just deletes. It just deletes. It just deletes.
Wait, how did you win? I hate this fucking. I'm walking away. I'm walking away from my keyboard, bro.
Oh my god.
Later. Don't. Don't. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm
Game of
scared.
Thrones.
No. 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 No, I can't do another. Why? I can't. No, stop. Please, just I'm begging. Who's blue again? That's Smil, right?
That's me.
I love how it's a Minecraft chest with it's with 5.7 caliber.
Pretty much.
in the fucking-
Let's get.
You gonna go Terminator?
Get through the
Oh
chopper.
my god. Yes.
Wait, oh, what?
Oh, we get to
Wait,
pick
what?
2. We get to pick 2, I think.
Oh, nice. Wait, some milk keeps getting Minecraft card.
2 curses, they
Is he gonna
debuff you.
gamble? Is he gonna gamble?
Does he
Is
gamble?
gamble?
Is he gonna
He's
gamble?
gonna gamble.
Oh my
He's
god,
gonna
are we peer
gamble.
pressuring him into gambling? Critical hit, yeah, those are.
He's gonna gamble.
Oh my
He
god, he
gambled.
gambled.
Oh my
Oh my
god, what
god.
did he get?
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
Anime physics.
Oh no, he has the toxic bullets.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit.
Give me your health.
I'm dead.
Hello.
Matt, how are you already almost?
Cause I fell. Oh.
Okay, my
Like
bad.
that.
He
My
did what I
bad.
did.
Like that. If you block, yo, Matt, let me teach you something real quick. If you hit the ground or anywhere off bounds, if you block, you get sent flying back up. You don't take damage.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Fuck.
Hey. What's in it?
I got bullied.
Oh. Oh wait.
Oh, he's got superpower. Oh fuck. Or I mean, just power.
Ah! Nah, wait. Wait.
Oh, yeah, both did the same thing.
Bruh.
I'm such a to die. Oh god. Speed is key, my friend. Okay.
These balls are bouncy.
No.
Don't. So basically, what that means is that we get nothing but cards that say honk. Last match, bro. Oh my. No.
What that? I was telling you, we were. No. No. Why
Matt.
did we have to be the one
Matt.
to get it?
Show me your
Why did
fucking
we
face
have-
right now. Show me your goddamn camera.
Why did Matt have to be the one to get it?
Show me your damn camera, Matt. Matt, turn on your fucking camera. Let me see your shit face. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. I swear to fucking God. I don't think you understand. Last match, bro. He picked that, bro. The only thing I got, bro. The only thing I got was fucking honk. It was nothing but honk, honk, honk. Brother, I want you to know we had 7 cards to choose from. I got all fucking cards are all fucking honk, bro. I hate you with a genuine fucking passion. You shut your bitch ass up with your fucking sweaty ass motherfucker. I'll beat your fucking ass. I swear to God. I bet your ass is fucking laughing right now, bro. I'm gonna beat your fucking ass. I swear to God. I'm gonna kill every single one of you in game, bro. I hope to God. I hope to God. You pray you don't see me, bro. I'm taking my fucking duplicator and leaving. Oh, hi.
Oh, I'm dead, and wow, you almost killed yourself. Oh, Montage.
I'm life stealing from myself. I life steal from myself. Somehow. Matt is just gone.
Okay.
Ow.
What happened?
Ow. He's so fast.
He's so hot.
He's so fucking hot. He's also a little bit
He's
retarded.
stupid.
Where
My
did
game
Samil?
I got ads. Oh my God, it froze my game. Okay.
I hate this. I fucking hate it here. I hate it here. I hate it here. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Where am I? Matt can literally fly. I want you to know this. Matt can actually fly. Matt is just no clipping, bro. More to have it.
What the fuck happened? Man, fuck this game, bro. like why? Why? Can't I have a normal card? Like kind of like wind up or bouncy balls or like fucking quick shot or fucking I don't know, maybe Excalibur, but no, you know I get fucking bitch ass motherfuckers, I swear to God, I will kill all of you. Just made an album 7 days, that's quick. Boobies going up and down, she's fit. Hold up, wait, rewind that shit.